Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Outback Shop. Oh, we got something special for you today. Oreo's gonna just kind of just chill and hang out, it looks like. He's not really helpful today. But I got my buddy Dip over here. He's starting to help me now, so we'll be able to get a lot more done. Oreo's become really lazy lately. But anyway, we have this 2017 Can-Am Maverick 1000 RXMR here, my buddy Stevens. And it initially came in because the axle was broken and the tie rod was bent and needed a service. But upon further inspection, we have found other issues. So I was emptying the diff fluid, and with my hand underneath here, I had the stuff start draining on it and pieces of metal started falling onto my hand. No bueno. Here's the pieces of metal right here. That is one of them. It'll focus. Looks like teeth pieces. So that's not good, guys. Not good. Also, when I had the wheels off the ground, I noticed these hubs, the bearings are wiped out. I mean, it had so much slack, I could move the tire like doot, 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 you know. And so that's not good. Well, also, I went and had my buddy spin that drive shaft when I had one axle in it. I was like, spin it and let me check out this drive shaft. And I don't know if you can see it down there. The drive shaft down there does a big whoosh, like this when it's spinning. It isn't just spinning straight, you know, it's spinning like this. So obviously it got bent whenever he was backing it up into his shed. That axle apparently got wedged up in there, and that's when the tie rod all actually bent. It wasn't from before. So he put a little bit too much of that oomph on it and twisted some shit up and broke some teeth, looks like. So we're gonna be removing the front diff, the drive shaft next, and see what they look like on the inside. And I'm hoping it ain't too bad, but cross your fingers, guys. But I'll be back whenever that's time for that. And bang! Like that. The front diff is out, the drive shaft's removed. Dip just cleaned it up so I could start tearing it apart. Got all the bolts, got all the dirt out of the holes so the stars will fit. We got over here the drive shaft that we ripped out of this thing. I want y'all to see this. Check that out. You ever seen a drive shaft look like that? I haven't. This is my first. And look at that. It's definitely been whopping onto something, guys. It's been whacking the hell out of something under there. Here's the old drive CV axle for the driver's side, and from what I'm seeing, there were different part numbers for the regular one and the XMR, and it seems like the XMR ones are maybe about 1 inch longer from what I'm seeing. I've kind of lined them up. This one is all messed up, but you can kind of see this, where it would butt up to the bearing, is back here, whereas this one is up here. So yeah, I think it's about 1 inch longer. So that's the axle that should have been put in it in the beginning. This is a Pro 4, this is a Cayman, which this was specifically for the XMR 2017, 2018. I think these are like kind of generic and go all of them, all Maverick 1000Rs. So anyway, the drive shaft, gotta have to order one of those or see what options there are. We gotta replace the hub bearings. They're whopped out because of these axles as well, and the stupid washer that comes on the ends of them doesn't go around the thread or the spline part, and it butts up to it and ended up causing slack. We'll clean all this up, remove these bearings, throw new ones in. So I gotta order a shaft, some bearings, and also see what's going on with this front diff. So once I tear into that, I'll come back and we'll see what damage is in there. All right, guys, got it opened up. Here we go. Let me show you the problem here. So check out the teeth. I don't know how easily y'all can see that. Maybe I'll turn it that way. Bottom and top, here and here. You can see them all chipped up on the ends on both sides. So we're gonna need some new gears here and here, or go ahead and get a torque locker system, which is probably the best bet. That way he'll have a locking front diff. There is a little bit of damage here. I don't know if that's gonna affect anything on the case. Probably not. Well, here looks like some damage occurred, unless that's just how it is from factory. But yeah, guys, so we'll have to change some of these gears out. I've already done a torque locker in my 1000 XT's front diff, so it ain't much of anything. It does, I love my torque locker in my bike. It does make it hard to steer when you're in full-wheel drive and power's being put to it, but I mean, in a Can-Am, if you need full-wheel drive, it's an emergency. So we'll get that fixed up, see what it'll be to fix, let them know, and go from there, guys. And then we'll start, like I said, I got to order a drive shaft. We got the axle to put in once the diff's fixed, change some bearings out. But that'll be it for this one, guys. If y'all would, I'd appreciate it if y'all hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and we'll see y'all in part 2 of the Maverick rebuild. Y'all take it easy.